This video is for the week starting 20th July 2022. From 30th May onwards, we have been seeing that the market has been in sideways mode. If you look at my old video, I had very clearly said that this is going to be a sideways market from now onwards. But when we say sideways, what should be the range? The range, as I can see here, as I have been saying earlier also, the range was supposed to be 15,900 to 15,500. But what has happened in the last 2 days, the market has broken down from that level also. So, the next level will be 14,500. 14,500 seems to be the place where the market will start reversing. That is one. Secondly, then what happens? Then it also means that this range from somewhere that is yesterday's close, that is 15,300 to 14,500 is a very crucial range which in which the market will keep on oscillating. When will there be a breakout? The breakout can happen only if it breaks this 15,900 level. That is the first instance, and even if that doesn't happen, then the market will keep on in this range only, that is 14,500 to 14,900 level. So, as and when the market comes down to this level, this is the buying level, this is the selling level. So, now it has become a traders market. Apart from that, you can also see there is one line which I have drawn here, which shows where the base or where the support lies. Now the next, so this is the support line. So, next support is only at 14,450. I don't find any other support. Maybe there may be a small pullback tomorrow, day after, whatever. That is because of the oversold nature of the market, but that will be a small bounce, that's all. Okay, now let's go to Sensex. Sensex, I have not drawn any of those lines, but it is very evident here. Let's go to the range. The range is between 53,400 and 48,100. So, 48,100 seems to be the support level. Now, let's go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has also given a breakdown on 13th June, and from then it has been falling. So, where will it go and stop? Let's go a little behind to see where it is going to stop. First target is 30,450, that is 2,000 points from here, and final target of course seems to be 29,450. I think that is the time when we may think that this Bank Nifty may reverse. Okay, so that is about Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty. Friends, if you have friends who are interested in stock markets and who are continuously trading, or who are interested in investing in the stock markets, please share this video with all of them, and let them also have the benefit of knowing how technical analysis is done. I would again request you, please like this video, please share this video, and please click on the bell icon, so that whenever I upload an video, you will get a notification. Thank you. Hello friends, now we move to the next section of the video. We will look at all the Nifty 50 stocks. First stock is Adani Ports. Adani Ports has given a breakdown long back. It has given a breakdown on 6th May 2022, and from then it has been falling. There seems to be a target of, first target is seems to be 639, and even when that fails, if that fails, then I don't find Adani Ports going any further. It will go to 557, 474, and final target is 323. Apollo Hospitals has given a breakdown on 2nd May, and from then it has been falling. The targets that were mentioned were earlier also have all been achieved, that is this 4100 target is achieved. So the next target somewhere seems to be 3436, that is also actually achieved, that was achieved on 26th May. So if when that is also achieved, I think the next target is 3165. There is a chance that there will be a there was a chance that there will be a full pullback, but that has not happened. So I think the next target is 3180. Asian Paints target is achieved, 2700 target is achieved. Next, I still believe that Asian Paints will still keep falling down. I think the 2545, that seems to be the target, and if that is also broken, then 2450. From there, I think there can be a pullback of sorts, because oil prices have come down. Axis Bank is at a very crucial level. This is a very crucial level. This is, I think, there is 1, there are 2, there is 3, 4 bottoms have happened at this level. So there is a chance of a pullback from this level, but still I don't think it is out of the woods. I think even after the pullback, we'll have to wait. Maybe it will be sideways until it crosses this 670, around 670 levels to give a pullback. Bajaj Auto gave a buy signal on 31st May only, but the target was very small, that was 3915. It was achieved, and from there it has been falling. If it falls below this level of 3597, then it will then Bajaj Auto, the next target is 3221. Bajaj Finserv, you can see here I have been predicting a fall in Bajaj Finserv for a long time. The target was the target is 10,600, and then next final target is 8,962 for the bottom. Bajaj Finance, same case, it has been falling. The target is, first target is 5,000, around 5,000. Final target is 4,480. Bharti Airtel, the target is achieved. The target was 665. It is achieved. Now still it is falling. There is a small bottom formation here, but nevertheless, I think yeah, it is at a very crucial juncture now. Let's wait to see whether it will be a pullback or there will be a breakdown. Bpcl, it is in a no trade zone. You can see it has been a long term no trade zone. Probably it may pull back from 291, or it may go to the COVID bottom of 253. Britannia has given a sell signal on 17th June. First target is 3174, next target is 3128. Cipla was supposed to pull back, it did not pull back. The target of 881 remains. Coal India has given a sell signal on 16th June, and the target is 168. Divi's Lab seems to have done inverse flag here. So if this inverse flag is there, that is 3430, and then the staff of the, that is 4400. So 3400, 4400, around 1000 rupees from here. So 2400 seems to be the target for Divi's Lab. Dr. Reddy's gave a buy signal on 20th May. From there the target was 4424, which was achieved on 25th May, and then it stayed there on up to 30th May also. From there it has been falling. If it breaks this level of 4052, then then it will fall to 3883. Icici Motors has given a buy signal on 16th May. From then it went up, and then now it is in no trade zone, because only if it falls below 2545, then it will give a sell signal. Grasim has been falling continuously. I think Grasim has, let's see where it is now. Grasim is at a long term support of 1284. That's where this long term support was. So if it breaks from here, then obviously the first target is 962, and then next target is 869. Hcl Tech has given a breakdown and has been going down continuously. I think let's look at Hcl Tech. Hcl Tech, I think the target is 918. From there probably it may bottom out at 918. HDFC, the merger company, has given a breakdown on 10th June, and from there it has been falling, and seems to me that it is going to hit a long term support of maybe around 1940, and then around 1750, and finally 1650, from where probably it will reverse. HDFC Bank, same problem. The first target after the breakdown on 14/6 was 1289, which is already achieved. From there also it has gone down. There is a green candle, so probably there will be a small pullback, but seems to me that 1254 is the next stop. Then 1152 seems to be a very strong support, and if that is also broken, then the final target is 1064. Hdfc Life has given a breakdown on 17th June only, and the target seems to be 525, 520. Hero Motocorp has given a breakdown on 6th June, and from there the target is seems to be 2406, 2304, final target of 2223. Hindalco has broken down long back, and then from there it has been falling for a long time. So where will it stop? Probably here, that is 319. If that also doesn't stop, then 315. If that also doesn't stop, then 275. I think 275 seems to be a very good support for Hindalco, and I think the final target is 232. That may be the bottom. Hindustan Unilever has given a breakdown on 14th June. Target seems to be 2064, 2045, final target bottom 1950. ICICI Bank has given a breakdown on 14th June. Target was 684, it is already achieved. It has taken support around this level, so let's hope that this pullback will will happen. If this pullback doesn't happen, then what? Then the support is 642. IndusInd Bank has broken down and has been going down for a long time. You can see here the support level seems to be, one support seems to be at 765. Even if that is broken, then we will, I think we'll go to 700. So 700 seems to be a good support for IndusInd Bank. Infosys gave a breakdown, and from then it has been falling drastically. You can see here the target for Infosys seems to be 1339, and probably the bottom seems to be 1315, 1315. So we are very nearing the bottom. ITC, my target was around 280, which is already touched. Now I think ITC, if it has to fall, then it has to fall below this 255 levels, then only it will fall. Otherwise it will not fall. It's my favorite long term stock. JSW Steel has fallen from 691. It gave a breakdown here, and then it has been falling continuously. I think JSW Steel, the first target seems to be somewhere here 430, and final bottom maybe 370. Kotak Bank seems to have given a breakdown on 10th June. From there it has been falling. Again, there is this blue line. You can see this was supposed to be a support which has been broken. So now where do we go from here? This was one target, that is 1661, that is also achieved. There is a green candle, so probably there may be a pullback. But if this pullback does not sustain, then where it will go? Then it will go to 1497. Bottom seems to be 1250, 1250. L&T, you can see this stock has touched this 1470, 14600, 1470 odd places. Now I think 1435 is a target. Final bottom seems to be 1320. Mahindra and Mahindra has it is still in the bullish zone only. Stop loss, if you bought, the stop loss is 953. Maruti is also in bullish zone, but all targets are achieved. So I think if you are still holding, the stop loss is 7378. Nestle is bullish, in bullish zone, but very near to the stop loss. If there is a close below this 16550, 16543, then it is time to sell Nestle. NTPC is at a very crucial stage. Next target is 137, and it seems that it will bottom out at 130. ONGC has given a breakdown on 16th June. From there it has been falling. Now I think it's time to sell off ONGC. ONGC's target is 137, and even that breaks, then the next target seems to be 131, and finally I think we will be able to see ONGC at 110 rupees. Power grid has broken down. Target seems to be somewhere here, that is 195. There will be some resistance here at 205, but seems to be that 195 seems to be the Reliance. The stop loss is 2554. From there it has come to that level and then pulled back. If it goes below 2554, closes below 2554, I think it's time to sell. Otherwise the bull run in Reliance will continue. But if you look at the Nifty, then I think this should also break down and come to 2004. SBI Life stop loss is 1071, and if it breaks that, then next target is 1061. State Bank of India, it has pulled back from these levels, so chances that this level of around 440 levels, so chances are that it will keep hovering in these levels only, and of course the bottom seems to be somewhere around 415. Shree Cements, it's an 18,000 rupees stock now, which was some time back 34,000 rupees. It's been falling for a long time. It is at a very crucial juncture. It is at a very long-term support. Long-term target seems to be 1749. The COVID bottom is 15,400, so it is very near the COVID bottom. Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma target was earlier target was target was around 815, that is also reached. Next target 791, that is also reached. I think still there is a lot of steam to go, so 750 seems to be the next target for Sun Pharma. Tata Consumers Limited has not broken out. 2-3 times it tried to break out at around 781, but nothing happened. So now our target seems to be 670. Tata Motors has given a breakdown on 15th June. Target is 371, final target 361. Tata Steel has an interesting inverted hammer there, so possible that there will be a pullback on Monday, but use that to sell off, because 798, 780 and 670 and final target of 600 seems to be visible. TCS is not going to come up for a long time. I think the target is 2900, that is where probably we may see a pullback. Until then we have to wait. Tech Mahindra is, the target was 945, that is also achieved. I think we still have a long bottom to fish. I think 796 seems to be a very good target for Tech Mahindra as of now for a short term. Titan is no longer a titan in the market. First support 1791. If that gets breached, then we'll go to 1616 and final target 1450. Ultratech, we are going much behind now. You can see here Ultratech, this target is achieved 5211. Next target is 4780, then 4900 and 4598, then 4240. So I think 4240, around that line, that time should be the bottom, or maybe the real bottom may be 3800. UPL, the target is 633. So last batsman Wipro, 405 is the going rate. I think this is expected to go to 367 and finally to 345. So probably that may be the bottom for Wipro. Friends, markets are expected to go lower and lower, so please hedge your investments. If you are a long term investor, then try to average out. 14,450 seems to be very much visible now on the Nifty. I think it's time to start investing during that time. You may not be able to catch the bottom, but at least you will be able to buy things in the very near the bottom. Anytime the markets may reverse because of maybe the war may be called off, or people will start giving you a story that Indian inflation is tamed and American inflation has nothing to do with Indian inflation. All such stories may start coming out. People will start, as they say, people will start talking the markets up. So please be ready. Keep your powder dry, as they say, and keep yourself ready for investing around 14,500 levels of the Nifty. Thank you very much.